Air potato is a vine with large, green, heart-shaped leaves. It twines on shrubs and trees, growing up to 100 feet into tree canopies. Air potato rarely flowers in Florida. It is a member of the yam family and produces large numbers of aerial bulbils, or potatoes. Some of these potatoes are brown with rough skin, and some are tan with smooth skin. The vines die in the fall and grow back from underground tubers in the spring. Bulbils that have fallen off the vines sprout new vines. These are some of the well-known health benefits of air potato. 1. Skin disorders. Powdered form of air potato has been traditionally used for treating different skin conditions. You can apply it topically to relieve blisters and boils. 2. Treat different eye disorders. Air potato has been consumed to help cure or prevent different kinds of eye ailments like conjunctivitis. Conjunctivitis or pink eye is the inflammation of the outermost layer of the white part of your eye as well as the inner surface of your eyelids. 3. Contains antioxidants. Apparently, air potato is rich in flavonoids and isoflavonoids, which can be sources of antioxidants. Though there have been mentions that flavonoids are poorly absorbed in your body, it could be insignificant when it comes to antioxidant activity. Still, this is something to look into more. 4. Treat respiratory disorders. Air potato has been used as a home remedy to treat or cure some respiratory disorders. It is good for treating asthma, coughs, and tonsillitis. 5. Good for heart. Eating air potato can do different things to your body that can lead to a healthier heart. First, it seems to be able to decrease your blood cholesterol levels. Another thing is that it is also able to help regulate your blood pressure. Normal levels of cholesterol and blood pressure can both help in keeping your heart healthy and reducing the risk of different kinds of heart diseases. 6. Anti-inflammatory qualities. Air potato has been found to have anti-inflammatory activity. This can be very helpful for different conditions like swelling caused by injuries as well as arthritis. 7. Good for digestive system. Consuming air potato can help improve or keep your digestive system healthy and away from some common digestive disorders. It should be helpful in regulating your stool movement, thus avoiding conditions like constipation and diarrhea. Moving to its uses. Aerial tubers are consumed after being cooked. Root can be consumed after being cooked. The inflorescences are apparently eaten. Air potato can be also used for the preparation of pancakes, miso soup, tempura and curry. Last but not least, precautions. Cattle eating them accidentally may be fatally poisoned, showing frothing at the mouth and bloating. Avoid use during pregnancy and breastfeeding. Avoid in case suffering from hepatitis or cirrhosis. Excess intake may cause abdominal pain, gastrointestinal disorder, dizziness, headache, nausea, vomiting, fatigue, anorexia, itching and liver damage.